Well guys, turkey season may be over for us in Michigan, but we got one more video to throw at you guys. This turkey hunting video is actually going to be our last turkey hunting video of this spring, but don't worry, we got a ton of awesome hunts we're going to throw back at you next end of the winter, spring, just to pump you guys up for next spring. On this hunt, it's going to be the hunt where I shoot my turkey, and we're going to start off with a hunt we had on opening day out here, and we got some crazy footage from that hunt that we didn't want to keep from you guys. So we're going to start off with that, and then we're going to close it with my successful hunt I had later in the year, in which we did some spot and stalk during a really windy day. So hope you guys enjoy it. Once again, thanks for watching. Let's get right to that action. Alright guys, we're here. Let's get our stuff and get out there. They might be gobbling already. Pretty sure I heard them way out there. Oh yeah, it's straight out. Let's get to the edge of the field there. The edge of the woods. Alright guys, well, we got that gobbler decent ways back in that timber. Since we're a little bit late out here, we didn't have time to roost them last night, so we just thought we'd come right at first light and listen for them and then sneak in. So we're just gonna stay back a ways, set up on a kind of a little bit of a ridge in the center of the property, and then just kind of wait them out and try to slowly work them in. So we're gonna get stuff together and set up and try to call this bird in. We might be able to go up the trail. Probably get back on. There's really moving. Find a tree. Let's get right near that bend up there. That way you might be able to see us.
them now. Two of them down the trail. Yeah, straight out. Two of them. Hopefully they're not jigs. Might be jigs. Shoot. Three of them. Four or five. Going to talk, commando mode. 5 against 5. Almost got it. I do a dollar in the box cars. Chasing off that tower, I
Well guys, just got to the farm we got permission at. Farmer let us know earlier today that he had a group of turkeys in the field, and sure enough showed up and they're out there. Looks to be like a tom, like 3 or so jakes and like 3 hens. So we're kind of come up with a plan what we want to do. It's a little after 6, so they probably won't be heading back to roost till around 8 yet, so we got some time. We might end up trying to get permission to go through someone else's property to sneak through the back door, and then try to either stalk them, get up close to that field edge and try to call them in or something. So we're kind of come up with a game plan and go from there. But you got a bird out there to hunt. See if we can't shoot at zebra thunderwings yet tonight. Alright guys, we got permission to go through the neighbors, sneak in through a ditch and get in that back door. So let's get in there and hopefully we can sneak up on these zebra thunderwings. Whole dazzle of them in that field, so. All right, guys. Well, plan is we're sneaking on the back end of these people's property we just got access to sneak through to get to our spot. But we're gonna sneak through these pines right here, and through these trees you can maybe barely see it, but the field's right out there where those turkeys are hanging out. So we're gonna have to be careful getting through these pine trees, and then we might have to belly crawl a ways just to get to that back corner where we kind of want to get set up. I think our game plan is to try to just throw up a hen decoy and try to call to them and see if we can get that tom to break off. And if that doesn't work, maybe we'll just try to set up where we think they're gonna travel through to the roost. So nice and windy, that'll cover all of our sound, and we'll see if we get nice and tight to this dazzle bird. So here goes nothing. Let's do it. See them straight this way. There's big trees out there, kind of. They're just to the left. There's a hen, I think, at least. I think in that opening. Just see them. I'm kind of thinking how open it is here. We might get in this ditch, ride it down like maybe 50 yards, and then go across, just so we have a little more woods between us. So there's that many more trees that'll break up our outline and stuff. So use that fallen tree right there. Get to that fallen tree, we can just ride that kind of and just start crawling our way over to this corner, get that decoy up and see if we can pull them off. Or all right, here we go, I guess. They had left. They're gonna run right through. Come on, look this way. Don't blow it for us, dude. Don't blow. Just go right. No, don't come. I'm just start crawling at him. Most of them are right there. To the left of that big tree? Yes, most of them are there. They're kind of angling away like that. Those briars are gonna kind of help us though when we're sneaking up. Like that, there's that berm over there too. All right, time to get into real stealth mode. Straight out there a ways. Alright guys, we spotted the tom out in the field. It looks like the majority of the flock have passed them and heading west. So we're gonna try to move over maybe 80 to 60 yards this way behind. There's a kind of the same berm kind of deal over there too. We're gonna get behind that and set the decoy up on the berm next to us, like 10, 20 yards away, and try to call that tom over while he's in the back of the flock.
Yes! Yeah, buddy.
See him?
Yeah, I think he was just getting into frame.
I had to shoot him. He saw me the whole time.
Okay. Dude.
Getting iffy.
Yes!
Yes, dude.
Zebra thunder wings down. Dude, the patience involved with that. Those hens caught us a little bit when they started getting close. Good job, dude. Congrats.
Yes.
Dude.
Nice.
That worked well.
Yep.
I was a little scared that they were just gonna bop in the woods, but they kind of came all the way back and then just rode it perfect like we were expecting them to.
Zebra thunder wings down. Let's go take a look.
They were close.
Yeah, I thought this was a lot farther than I thought, but I was pretty well hidden.
Dude, that's a big bird.
Yeah.
It's a big
Gorgeous bird. Oh, there he is. Got the old boy. His beard out. Big old zebra thunder wings. Tagged out in Michigan, guys. That was quite the stalk.
Oh,
We had to go way around through the back door, crawled, belly crawled, got probably 10 yards into the woods behind a berm, and I was just laying prone, and we were hoping they were gonna go into the woods to go to roost right through this corner of the field. And sure enough, I mean, they started riding that edge of the plowed field, and then they cut right to the corner.
That
Perfect. Yep,
That was
flawless.
just perfect. That played out awesome.
Yeah, this is a nice old bird. Solid.
Alright guys, so Dave's right back to these woods right here. Yeah, you're good, dude. That's pretty hidden right there. I'd say maybe a 20-25 yard shot.
He just put him right down. I think he's just gotten to frame when he shot, but he kind of surprised me.
Man, I just gotta say, look at those hooks. That's a solid old bird. The old long spur. Sometimes you just gotta stalk them and wait them out to get these birds.
Oh yeah. Alright guys, well, tonight was successful in that windy conditions, but we got her done. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys liked this video. A little stalk in action. But if you could do us a favor and subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so that you guys get notified when we post a new video. But anyways, hope you guys are getting out in them turkey woods. Get you guys some zebra thunder wings. See you guys on the next one.